Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use peppermint oil to get rid of spiders. Peppermint oil is a fantastic natural deterrent, and spiders absolutely hate its strong aroma. This method provides a safe, non-toxic way to keep your home spider-free without harsh chemicals. It's an easy and effective solution for anyone looking to manage spider populations naturally. Let's dive into the simple steps. First, you'll need to prepare your peppermint oil solution. Take a spray bottle, ideally a 16-ounce one, and fill it mostly with water. Then, add about 10 to 15 drops of pure peppermint essential oil. Give it a good shake to ensure the oil and water are well combined. This simple mixture is your key to a spider-free environment.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can help you build financial independence. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's talk about where to apply your solution. Focus on entry points like windows and door frames. Also, spray directly into any cracks, crevices, or corners where spiders might hide or enter your home. Don't forget areas like under sinks, in basements, and attics. Regular application in these spots will create a barrier spiders won't want to cross. For best results, reapply your peppermint oil solution every few days, especially after cleaning or if it has rained heavily. You can also place cotton balls soaked with a few drops of undiluted peppermint oil in discreet areas like behind furniture or inside cabinets. This consistent approach will maintain a strong deterrent effect, keeping those eight-legged visitors away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.